Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Today in this video, we will see about the leveling method by leveling nut. The leveling nut method, also called as setting nut and washer method. While erecting steel structure, achieving a perfectly level base is crucial. Leveling method ensures that steel column and base plates are properly aligned before final grouting. Leveling method must be coordinated with anchor rod tolerances, embedment depth, and shop fabrication to ensure the accuracy. As shown in image, leveling nuts and washers are used in pairs beneath the base plate to achieve final vertical adjustment to bring the base plate to correct elevation. Washers distribute load and prevent damages. Washers may be plate washer or standard washer based on the project specification and what hole sizes we are following in the base plates. Base plate provides stable base for column. Generally, base plates are shop welded to column bottom end. The last point is grouting. Grouting fills gap between the base plate and concrete, ensuring full contact and uniform bearing, which is critical for transferring loads effectively. A grout space allows for adjustment in plumpness and elevation during column erection, compensating the fabrication and placement tolerances. Thank you for watching this video. Please put your thoughts in comment section. I request to you if you like my videos related to steel detailing, please put your review on my Facebook page.